friends, we're gonna make ice cream in a bag today, and the first thing that we need is we're gonna need our recipe. And Teacher Sheri likes to use this recipe because it tells us what we're gonna make, vanilla ice cream in a bag, and it tells us all of the ingredients, which is a big word, but that's all the things that we need to make our recipe. And then it also shows pictures so the children can see. What is this? This is our milk. This is our vanilla, honey. It shows the ice cubes down here and the salt down there. So I'm gonna go through each item. We're gonna need a gallon-sized bag like this, a quart-sized bag like this, or any small bag. Make sure it Ziplocs tight so we don't want it to open. You're gonna need some salt. Rock salt is the best for ice cream, but you can also use any type of table salt, okay? We have that too. Milk, you can use whole milk or you can use half and half. The more it is cream, the more ice cream will be thick. And then we're gonna need some vanilla. I'm using the imitation, so you can use real or imitation vanilla. It's gonna make it taste like vanilla. You can use honey, or if you would like and you have sugar, you can use sugar. Today we're gonna use sugar just because it's not quite as sticky to put in. And you're gonna need some cups for when you finish the ice cream. We have some berries that our friends cut from the garden today, some strawberries, and we have some blackberries also. You could use any kind of fruit that you might want to add to your ice cream, or sprinkles if your child likes sprinkles. If you like sprinkles, friends, you can tell your parents that you would like to put some sprinkles on yours, or chocolate chips, whatever you would like to add to your ice cream. All right, now we're gonna start with your big gallon-sized bag and fill it halfway up with ice, like this. Okay, we need lots of ice to make ice cream.
Mom, I saw a different
Right.
helicopter.
Ice, usually what I do with the kids is I let them be involved by letting them touch or smell or feel the items. So I'm just gonna say, would you like to feel the ice? How does it feel?
Cold.
And what is ice cream? Ice cream is
Ice.
cold, right? Okay. So then next, I'm gonna talk about the salt, okay? So we're gonna count with our friends, and we're gonna put 6 tablespoons of salt. So let's count, friends. 1 into your ice. 2, 3, 4, can you count? 5, and 6. And you want to make sure you close this tight and shake up the salt into your ice. So you can let your child shake it up. You can shake it up yourself, friends. Shaking the salt with your ice, okay? And I forgot to talk about, we always need measuring spoons so we can measure the right amount. That was 6 tablespoons of salt. And we need measuring cups. This time we need a cup measure like this so we can do our liquid, our milk, or half and half cream if you want to do that. Okay, so we're gonna measure 1. There's a number 1 on here on the cup, and we're gonna pour it till we hit the 1. Just like that. Okay, and then we're gonna get our small bag like this and make sure it's open. Okay, and we're gonna pour that milk right into the bag. Teacher Sheri's gonna wait just a minute so we have our other items out too. Make sure our sugar is open today. Like I said, you can use honey. This recipe has 3 tablespoons of honey. If you don't want it quite so sweet, you could do 2. And also you could use sugar in place of the honey. So I had put 2 tablespoons of sugar. So we're gonna put 2 tablespoons. Let's count. 1, 2. And something that's really fun that mommies or daddies or grandmas can do or teachers do is they give the friends just a tiny little taste in their hand. And in this project, they're gonna only be touching their own bags. So, and if you want to, after you taste the sugar, you can wash your hands. It's okay. There's the recipe. All right, and the same with the vanilla. You can smell it. That's the way we can use our nose in this project. You can smell the vanilla. All right, my friends know about the milk, and they can also taste the salt if you would like to have them do that. All right, so inside of our bag we have 2 tablespoons of sugar. Let's see, Teacher Sheri already closed it up. And we need our vanilla. How much vanilla? 2 teaspoons of vanilla. So we're going to take our vanilla. And friends, you guys can have Mommy hold the spoon, and you guys pour it in there, and you can get to put it in your own bag. So we're going to do 1, and then 2. How many?
2.
2 teaspoons. This is smaller than the tablespoon. 2 teaspoons of vanilla, so we have flavor. And vanilla tastes really good, but it doesn't, it smells really good, but it doesn't taste very good. So we just smell it. It gives good flavor with the sugar added to our ice cream. Okay, so you got the 3 ingredients in here. You got the milk, the vanilla, and the sugar, or honey, if you like. And you got to make sure that's mixed up. And now, in order to make this into ice cream, it needs to be very, very cold. Good job. So we're going to put it into our ice. So here is our ice with our salt. And we're going to take it, make sure your quart-size baggie is very, very tight because we don't want salt or ice inside of our ice cream. And then we're going to put it into here. And then a really good idea is you can put some music on, because this has to be shook for 6 to 8 minutes. The recipe says 8 to 10 minutes, so it takes a long time to shake it. So we're going to shake this up. And you can play some music, like Move It, or any kind of dance music you like in order to shake it up. So I'm going to let my friend shake that a little bit. Okay, we're going to turn on some music, and we're going to shake it for 8 to 10 minutes. So let's shake it. Maybe it'll take about 2 or 3 songs, okay? Shake, 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 shake. All right? Shake it up and have fun, friends. And then when we're done, we're going to have some yummy ice cream in our bag. Shake, shake, shake. And if your hands get cold, you can put some mittens. I forgot to tell you, you can put some mittens or snow gloves or whatever you would like. And that'll keep your hands from getting too cold when you're shaking the ice cream. Okay? All right, we've been shaking our ice cream for 10 minutes, and it looks like it's nice and hard now. It's cold, just like ice cream. And so we're going to scoop our ice cream into our bowl. And I double bagged this just to make sure that the water, the condensation wasn't coming all over us, but you can do whatever you would like. Look at that good vanilla ice cream. You can get an actual ice cream scoop if you'd like. Teacher Sheri is just using a regular spoon. All right. And then, if you would like, you can put some berries on it. We're going to put a berry from the garden. Look at that. Beautiful berry right there. And if you would like, you can put some chocolate sprinkles on there. So I'm just going to put a few little sprinkles around. All right. Chocolate. You could use chocolate chips, colored sprinkles, whatever you would like. And that's our vanilla ice cream in a bag. Miss you, friends.